A quiet moment, cooking in silence, flavor in focus. Let the rice speak. If you love fried rice, don't blink. This one is about to slap. Welcome back. Today we are making a colorful beef vegetable fried rice, simple and delicious. I had rice, beef and vegetables, so I made something you will want to try today. Remember, we are still around the Christmas. This can help you. Rice in the pan, beef on standby. Let's cook. Cooking is done. Now let's share the happiness. From pan to plate, mission delicious completed. Time to portion this beauty before it disappears. Every scoop is proof. This fried rice tried its best, yes. Portion it carefully because this one deserves respect. Cooking finished, portion ready. Who is first? Believe in yourself and your dreams. Today I'm making this simple homemade beef fried rice mixed with vegetables. No fancy portioning, just rare food, rare color and rare flavor. Let's cook. Oil is hot. Let's wake this pan up. Beef first because respect must be given. Listen to the sound, that flavor talking. When peace like a river attendeth my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say, it is well, it is well with my soul. The onion, the spices, the garlic. These onions didn't cry for nothing. Its new greatness was coming. Keep watching and thank you. God bless you.
Spices for your meat, yeah. This is my own special. So I dice my meat into dicey. I dice it small so that it will be fast and quick. Ginger powder, black pepper, black onion, and lemon, black lemon. I mix all them together for having. I'll make sure I leave the ingredients under the description box so that you can try some in the house. Yeah. I'm adding some chopped tomatoes. I'm adding lemon juice to our meat. We are using it for our vegetable beef fried rice, yeah.
The taste of the beef is, giving. Even the beef is saying, I am not here to play. I am here to dominate the rice. As you can see, the doings. I soaked my rice clean already. So rice is entering the pan quietly, but it's about to make noise. Rice is entering the party like I am the boss here. So I added my hot boiled water, a salt, and one pepper. So let's boil it. Adding my oil. The oil is liquid butter to taste good. So now is the step of the rice before we go to the next step. Keep watching and do not skip. I beg you. It is well. It is well with my soul, with my soul.
So the rice is
it is well. It is well with my soul. This life, you have to focus on your best strengths. You frame the task, you frame the situation. Associate with positive people and be a positive force yourself. Help others. So now veggies time. We mix our vegetable inside the pan of olive oil. This is color talapi, best edible. Let's stir fry. We are stirring it gently. We are cooking food, not fighting at the bank. We are not fighting with this food. So as we are stirring our vegetables, keep watching. And I love you. God bless you for always coming around the doings. So at this moment, we are stirring everything together. Everybody in the pan getting along like one big family. Doings fried rice.
I want my butter.
This garlic and onion didn't cry for nothing. Its new greatness was coming to start up. So keep watching. Doings.
So we are doing our fried rice now. This is spices for onion. I want it to be browny before I will add the rest of the ingredients. Now I can add adding my beef here. I know this is not how you make your vegetable beef fried rice. Yeah, everyone has a different way of cooking. So now
Rice is entering the party like I am the boss here. So rice is here. Let's stir gently. We are cooking food, not fighting. So we are stirring everything inside the pan quietly, gentle, like one big family inside one pan. Seasoning and everything is okay and perfect. Just a little seasoning, because even perfection needs confidence.
So all the ingredients is set now. In my kitchen, you don't push it. Yeah. You finish, it's a full pot. Serve with a full pot. So
now every ingredient is inside. This garnish is not decoration, it's a fashion. If fried rice had a red carpet, this one would be stop traffic. This fried rice didn't come to impress, it came to conquer. It's so simple and clean. I turned this simple ingredient into serious fried rice magic. So final stirring. If this smell had Wi-Fi, neighbors will connect, because this fried rice is giving fire. Simple ingredients, dangerous flavor. Homemade but eating like restaurants. No portion, because who is counting? This fried rice, this fried rice deserves silence and enjoyment. This fried rice didn't come to joke today. Be first, elders must enter before children. If smells was money, I would be rich by now. Color is important. Fried rice must dress well. Hey, Izzo, this is cooking, not wrestling. Smell garnish, big respect. No portioning today. Enjoyment has no measurement at the back. This fried rice is minding its business and tasting good. Homemade, but eating like outside food. Simple food, serious enjoyment. Hey, if you taste this, you will keep quiet. Every grain is perfectly coated, every bite rich and satisfying. This fried rice is pure comfort, cooked with love and finished with bold, irresistible flavor. From the first step to the final garnish, this fried rice is a celebration of color, aroma, and taste, turning simple ingredients into something truly unforgettable. Golden, fragrant, and full of life. This fried rice tells a delicious story of patience, balance, and flavor in every single spoonful. Slowly fried, gentle season, and beautiful balanced. This rice doesn't shout, it simply impress. Each grain carries warmth, color, and care. Fried rice made patiently, meant to be enjoyed slowly. Golden grains resting in harmony, rich aroma rising quietly. This fried rice is comfort without weight. Simple ingredients, thoughtful cooking, and a finish that feels like home in every bite. If you enjoy this fried rice, your phone deserves a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next delicious recipe. Please subscribe for more simple recipes made with love and rare ingredients. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Thank you and I love you.